Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Ansible Systemd module. This tutorial will walk you through the process of using the Systemd module in Ansible to manage and configure Systemd services on Linux systems. First, let's start with the basics. Ansible is an automation tool that allows you to manage and configure infrastructure and applications. The Systemd module is a part of Ansible that provides a way to manage Systemd services, which are used to manage and start system services on Linux systems. To use the Systemd module, you need to have Ansible installed on your system and have a basic understanding of how Ansible works. You also need to have a Linux system with Systemd installed, which is the default on most modern Linux distributions. The Systemd module provides a number of options for managing Systemd services, including the ability to start, stop, and restart services, as well as enable and disable services. You can use the module to manage individual services or to manage groups of services. To use the Systemd module, you create a playbook that defines the tasks you want to perform. For example, you can create a playbook that starts and enables a service, or one that stops and disables a service. You can also use the module to manage the state of a service, such as ensuring that a service is running or stopped. Here is an example of a simple playbook that uses the Systemd module to start and enable a service. Name: Manage Systemd service. Hosts: all. Become: yes. Tasks: name, start and enable service. Systemd name, HTTPD. State: started, enabled, yes. In this example, the playbook is managing the HTTPD service, starting it and enabling it to start at boot time. The Become option is used to run the task with elevated privileges, which is required to manage Systemd services. Best practices for using the Systemd module include using the latest version of Ansible and the Systemd module, and testing your playbooks thoroughly before running them in production. You should also use the Become option to run tasks with elevated privileges, and use the State option to ensure that services are in the correct state. In conclusion, the Ansible Systemd module provides a powerful way to manage and configure Systemd services on Linux systems by following the steps outlined in this tutorial. You can learn how to use the module to start, stop, and restart services, as well as enable and disable services. With practice and experience, you can use the Systemd module to automate complex tasks and improve the efficiency of your system. Administration tasks.